If that little jingle gave you flashbacks of the blue screen of death, you're not alone. Windows has come a long way, but let's be real. Sometimes it still feels like dating someone who swears they've changed but still leaves dirty dishes in the sink. Today we're breaking down 5 key areas where Linux outperforms Windows. Let's start with the most crucial one. That's stability and reliability. Windows has improved since the days of constant crashes, but Linux still holds a reputation for rock-solid stability. This stability comes from Linux's open-source nature, allowing thousands of developers worldwide to examine and improve the code continuously. Unlike Windows, where bug fixes depend primarily on Microsoft's team, Linux benefits from this global collaboration. Additionally, Linux's modular design means applications are less likely to interfere with system operations or each other. Linux isn't just for servers. It powers everything from Android phones to smart fridges. For home users, that means total control over your OS. For everyday users, this means you can choose exactly how your computing experience looks and feels. Beginner-friendly distributions like Linux Mint and Elementary OS provide a smooth transition for Windows or Mac OS users, while power users can modify nearly every aspect of their system. The variety of available desktop environments and the ability to easily install software through package managers give users complete control over their experience. Windows is like that friend who clicks yes on every "you'll have won a free cruise" pop-up. Linux, more like the friend who uses a VPN to read the terms and conditions. Linux's security advantages come from both its design and its user base. While no system is completely immune to threats, Linux benefits from having fewer malware threats targeting it due to its smaller desktop market share. The system's permission structure also makes it harder for malware to cause widespread damage. Furthermore, the open source nature means security vulnerabilities are often identified and patched quickly by the global developer community. Unlike Windows, which collects significant user data by default, most Linux distributions respect user privacy out of the box. While some distributions, like Ubuntu, do collect minimal usage data, this is typically easy to disable, and many distributions collect no data at all. This contrasts sharply with Windows, where completely opting out of data collection is difficult if not impossible. Windows is free like a puppy is free. Soon you're paying for Microsoft 365, OneDrive, and emotional support. $0 and 0 zeros. Forever. Linux won't beg for your credit card. Even the premium distros are free. Linux offers unparalleled flexibility in how you use your computer. From servers to smartphones to IoT devices, Linux adapts to virtually any need. For everyday users, this means you can choose exactly how your computing experience looks and feels. Linux stands out for being genuinely free. While Windows is technically free to install, it constantly promotes paid Microsoft services and takes cuts from App Store purchases. With Linux, nearly all the software you'll need is available at no cost, and there's no pressure to upgrade or purchase additional services. While enterprise users might pay for support, typical home users can enjoy a complete computing experience without spending a dime. But should you switch? Look, Linux is not perfect. If you live in Excel macros or Adobe app, it might not be your jam, but for browsing, gaming, coding, or just escaping Microsoft's clutches, it's a game changer. These are our top 5 reasons Linux might be better than Windows for some users. But we know the Linux community has even more insights to share. Let us know in the comments what advantages you think Linux has over Windows. Would you like to see a follow-up video about potential drawbacks of switching to Linux? Tell us what you think.